Good evening, everyone. Okay, my voice is clear for everyone and screen is visible for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good evening to all. Okay, so today we are going to start a new module that is fresh concrete. Okay, so in the module one, we all studied ingredients. What are the raw materials which required by concrete production? Now, once you got all the material from cement godown, you got cement bag. Some quarries, you got aggregate. From riverbed, you got river sand. Okay, from the corporation, you got water. Okay, and from the what is that, some any other place, you got the labors. So everything you are going to mix, okay na, to construct any building or any concrete works. Now how that fresh concrete, because it is not yet got hard, अभी तक वो फ्रेश है क्योंकि उसमें पानी है. ओके, उसको हम लोग मोल्ड कर सकते हैं और थोड़ा शेप को बना सकते हैं. So that type of concrete, we generally call it as fresh concrete. It is called as fresh concrete. Okay ना? It has not got hard. Okay, मतलब क्या है? इनिशियल सेटिंग टाइम के अंदर है वो, मतलब सेटिंग टाइम के अंदर है, अभी तक वो सेट नहीं हुआ है. ಇನ್ನು ತನಕ ಅದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ first and very very important, workability. What is mean by workability we are going to study. Next, factors. क्या क्या फैक्टर्स है, ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ हम लोग चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके ना? So those things we are going to study. And how to measure the workability in site. Suddenly you got a truck of batching plant, batching mixer, truck mixer, then you have to measure its workability, whether your slab work which will require 100 slump, whether that truck mixer is giving 100 slump or less or more, you want to check. So how you are going to check that one? And some concepts are there: segregation, bleeding, we are going to see. Next, very very important, in detail we are seeing the process of manufacturing, batching, mixing, transporting, placing, compaction, curing, finishing. So all these things slowly one by one we are going to study. Okay na? First thing, fresh concrete. Fresh concrete means what? Whether it is a workable or not workable, whether it is a workable or not workable. मैं एक रफ एग्जांपल देता हूं पहले इस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने के लिए. ओके ना? सपोज यू आर टेकिंग सम aggregate, you are taking some cement, everything you mix, but you have not mixed correctly. aggregates एक तरफ है, सीमेंट एक तरफ है, पानी एक तरफ है, मतलब रफली आई एम टेलिंग, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಾಬರ್ से नहीं किया. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಡೀಪ್ ಬೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು put that fresh concrete in this deep beam where reinforcement bars are there. Now, as a civil engineer, you are all civil engineers, no? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Civil engineer. Whether you allow this concrete to put here or you will not allow, you tell me. Full silent.
Not allowed.
Whether you allow this concrete to put here or you are not allowing.
Not allowed. Not allowed.
What?
Not.
Why you are not allowing? Why it is not allowing? You tell me the reason. No?
Not properly mixed.
ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ प्रॉपरली मिक्स ಇಲ್ಲ. प्रॉपरली मिक्स ಇಲ್ಲ, इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर तुम उसको डाल दिया तो आपका कंक्रीट खराब हो जाएगा, आपका स्ट्रक्चर खराब हो जाएगा. So that means this is not good. In fresh state, you should tell it is in fresh state. It is not good for pouring. It is not good for pouring. That means what? It is not workable. It is not workable. What do you mean by workable? If it is correctly mixed, if it is correctly stable, if it is correctly flowing and mobile, okay, if it is correctly compacted, if it is correctly finished. So if that concrete has all these things, what are these things? if it is correctly mixing, if it is correctly stable, if it is correctly mobile or flowing, if it is correctly compactable inside, and after compacting, if it is giving correct finish, then and then only you are saying the concrete as workable concrete. आवाग ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ concrete workable ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, तब आप लोग बोलते हैं ये concrete जो है ये workable concrete है. Is that point understood? Is that point understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Workable का मतलब ये है, workability means what? Workability of a concrete means concrete's characteristics are such a way that that is in fresh state. In fresh state, the characteristics are in such a way that it is completely mixable using hand mixer or using machine mixer. It can be completely mixable, which is producing homogeneous mix and uniform mix, homogeneous mix and uniform mix. This property of concrete which has mixability is called as mixability. This property of fresh concrete which will produce homogeneous and uniform concrete, that property is called as mixability. That property is called as mixability. Stability. What do you mean by stability? अगर तुम लोग कंक्रीट लेके आके डाल दिया और डालने के बाद अग्रीगेट्स एक तरफ सीमेंट एक तरफ, ऐसा हो गया तो वो स्टेबल कांक्रीट है क्या? ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ, ನೀರ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, बट हाकि आदमेले एक बार डालने के बाद वो सेपरेट सेपरेट हो रहा है, तो वो स्टेबल बोलते हैं या नॉट स्टेबल बोलते हैं? बोलो.
Not stable.
Not stable. If your concrete is called as workable concrete, that means it should be stable. That means it should not segregate. It should not separate the material. It should not be separate the material during transportation also, during placing also. Bleeding should be minimum. Bleeding should be minimum. Now next parameter, what is flowability? हाँ, flowability का मतलब क्या है? अगर तुम्हारा एक कॉलम है इधर, ओके ना, उसके ऊपर एक बीम जा रहा है, ओके, देयर इज अ कॉलम, देयर इज अ बीम, ओके ना, सो हियर आल्सो बार्स आर देयर, ओके ना, लाइक दिस, हियर आल्सो बार्स आर देयर, ओके ना, ओके, लाइक दिस. You have completed concrete like this. Till this position you have completed concrete on yesterday. Now in the next day you want to put the concrete, all are formwork, so you want to pour concrete from this location. So you want to pour the concrete in this location. If your concrete is not flowable, if your concrete is not mobile, whether that concrete will reach all the place or it will stick here only? Please tell me. Please tell me.
It will not flow.
If the concrete is not flowable, if the concrete has no mobility, it is going to stuck here only. It is going to stuck here only. That is not a good thing, because here empty space is left. So that is why if concrete is said to be workable, it should be mobile, it should be flowable, such a way that all the concrete from the top, whatever you pour, no, from the top, it should go and occupy all the space. It should occupy all the space. Is that okay? Then that property is called as flowability. Then that property is called as mobility. Okay, na? When it is required, when you have very, very tough reinforcement, very, very closely spaced bars, when you have thin structures, in that cases, you have that one. Compactability, that means what? In a given concrete, after placing that concrete, you are going to put a vibrator, no? You are going to put vibrator needle or any vibrating equipment. So what will happen? If the concrete is not correct, even if you put this vibrator, concrete will not get compacted correctly and voids will be present, due to entrapped air. So If your concrete should be workable concrete, that means the concrete should be 100% compactable or 99% compactable, so that maximum density you should get and minimum weights you should get. Is this point clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये सब लोगों को
Yes,
क्या
sir.
लगता है यार, बैठते हुए यार ऐसा नहीं करना, मैं बुरा मान जाऊंगा, मैं ಸಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನಂಗೆ ತಿಳಿದದ ಇಲ್ಲ, मुझे समझ में आया नहीं आया, बोलना है ना. ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
Yes, sir. Understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जाना. ओके. फिनिशेबिलिटी ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फिनिशेबिलिटी? इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब ये है, अगर आपका कंक्रीट आफ्टर मिक्सिंग, आफ्टर प्लेसिंग, आफ्टर कॉम्पैक्टिंग, it should give correct finish, it should give correct finish, then that property is called as finishability, then that property is called as finishability. So when you want to save the workability, workable concrete is that concrete which is properly mixable, which has stability, which has flowability, which has compactability, which has finishability. मतलब वर्केबिलिटी एक ही वर्ड नहीं है, वो इन पांचों को लिया है. ಆ 5 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದು ವರ್ಕೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವರ್ಕೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್, ಅದರ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅದರ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್? ವರ್ಕೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ necessary work required to produce full compaction. Other definition. Okay. Necessary internal work for full compaction. And workability can be defined as ease with which concrete can be compacted 100%. Concrete can be compacted 100%. In other words, workability can be defined as the property of freshly mixed concrete or mortar, which determines the ease and homogeneity which can be mixed, placed, compacted, finishes. मतलब क्या है? Whatever we 5 parameters we have discussed, no, all those things are defined separately. That's all. Okay, one is telling full compaction, one is telling whatever method you are using, it should give full compaction. Third point is telling it should give full homogeneous mix and easy mix, so that it is mixed, placed, compacted thoroughly. What is this meaning of this word ease? Ease is nothing but how easily you can do the work. Okay, how easily you can do the work, that is called as ease. Okay na? So it includes what? How easily you can stable, how easily concrete can be mobile, how easily concrete can be compacted. That is what? How ease is you doing. Okay na? Homogeneity means what? Uniform distribution. Means what? If you take a cross section, there should not be aggregate on one side, cement on other side, water on one side. No, this is not a homogeneous. This is somewhat other thing. Homogeneity mixture means if you take a cross section, cement aggregate should be uniformly distributed. Cement aggregate thoroughly mixed. That type of a what is that? Its parameter is called as homogeneous or homogeneity. Can you see this diagram, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please reply.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Okay. See, now what is happening here? This is a normal concrete or normal workable. This is a slump cone test we are doing. I will explain this one. So slump cone test is used to measure the workability. Okay na? So when there is a harsh concrete, which is not mobile. So that means you can get the concrete like this. You can get the concrete as this. This is your normal concrete. This is your normal concrete. This is very, very workable concrete. This is very, very workable concrete. Can you see how much is the difference? This is the difference. Here the difference is normal. Here no difference. No difference means there is no slump. There is no slump. Here a normal slump, that is medium workable. Here it is highly workable. Means what? Full workable quantity. Full workable means large slump you can get. Slump is nothing but difference between this horizontal scale which is placed at the top of this mold to the fresh concrete top. Fresh concrete top. This is called as slump. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Now, what is the function of water in concrete? Can you tell me? Function of water in concrete. First is it will provide hydration. Water, it will provide hydration process. Okay, na? Apart from that, water is also responsible for lubricating the particles. इधर देखो ऐसे particles है. Water cement paste will form what one thin film, no? Thin film, so that these particles will roll one over the earth. So that type of parameter or phenomena is called as lubrication. Water is responsible for lubricating. Not only water, water plus cement, that is called as cement paste. We call it as cement paste. Cement plus water, which is in the paste form, which is applied over the body of aggregate when mixing, and it will act as one lubrication. Okay, na? This lubrication will help in mobility, compactability. Okay, na? So all those things will come into picture. So consistency, there is another word. What do you mean by consistency? Consistency is a general term. It is not workable. It is general term. It will tell degree of fluidity. It will tell the degree of fluidity or degree of mobility. In generally, if water content is more, then it is more consistent. If water content is more, then it is more consistent. पानी ज्यादा है तो क्या हो जाएगा? ज्यादा flow हो जाएगा ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
देखो, workability, it is not common to all structure. It is not common to all works. For slab, which is there for your house, the workability requirements are different. For road works, concrete road works, the workability requirement is different. For column, the workability requirement is different. For thin wall, compound wall or shear wall, the workability requirement is different. Are you understanding this point? Workability is not a one common term. The concrete which is good for house slab is not good for compound wall. The column concrete which is good for this one, which is not good for road work. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what workability.
Yes, sir.
Workability is always depending upon type of work, thickness of the section, reinforcement, and how you are compacting. And workability knowledge is always required for mixed design. That module you are studying it in 4th module. All those things you are studying in the 4th module. How the design should be done. Now you tell me, what are the factors which will affect? There are two major parameters. There are two major phenomena. I will tell one thing. ये concrete है ना, इसमें aggregate भी है, cement भी है, पानी भी है. Internal friction, इसका मतलब क्या है? Aggregate एक दूसरे से जो collide कर रहे हैं ना, ये aggregate ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು collide ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Internal friction. The aggregates which are colliding with one another during mixing, during placing, during compaction, this phenomena is called as internal friction. Frictional resistance, इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर तुम लोग कंक्रीट इधर से डाल रहे हैं, ऊपर से डाल रहे हैं, तो कंक्रीट ऐसे नीचे आके ऐसे जाना है ना पूरा, यस और नो, ऐसे फिल करना है, उसके बाद ऊपर ऊपर आना है, यस और नो, यस और नो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if concrete is very harsh, then it will stick here only. It is not going to flow. Okay, na? If concrete is very hard, if you like this, if you put no, it will stick here only and it will stay here only. If concrete is very workable, then only it will flow. Then only it will flow like this. Okay, na? So this surface is there, no? This surface of formwork or wood formwork, the bottom, the sides formwork, and steel bars, which are affecting, which are blocking the path of concrete. करेक्ट है? ये सरफेस भी है, ये बॉटम रीइंफोर्समेंट भी है, ये सभी क्या करता है, कंक्रीट जैसे जैसे आ रहा है इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर रहा है ना. ಈ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆಯಿಂದ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಈ ವಾಲದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಇನ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಆ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ, ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This obstruction for the flow is called as frictional resistance. This obstruction is called as frictional resistance. 2 points very clear. One is internal friction, which is due to the colliding of aggregates with one another. Another is frictional resistance, which is obstructed by the sides of the formwork and the reinforcement bars. When these two are decreased, your workability will obviously increase. When internal friction is more and this frictional resistance is more, then obviously your workability will complete the sentence.
Decrease.
Everyone.
Decrease.
Will decrease. अगर तुम्हारा reinforcement bars बहुत है, ये formwork बहुत rough surface है, ಇದು formwork ತುಂಬಾ rough ಇದೆ, ಈ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇದಾವೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗ ವರ್ಕೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್, ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ, ಡು ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ಎವ್ರಿವನ್?
Yes, sir.
In that, whatever the factors which are influencing these two, obviously will influence this workability. Obviously, which will influence the workability. Now, if you understand, then you are going to easily understand. Here only you can tell water content. If you add more water, friction and this frictional resistance will increase or decrease.
Decrease.
Correct. ನೀ ಹೇಳೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Yes, you are correct. You tell me clearly, when you add more water, the friction and this resistance will reduce or will increase?
Reduce.
Yes, correct. It will reduce.
Reduce.
Why? It is making more. Very good. Why? Because water is a lubrication, no? Water is a lubricating thing, so that is why friction is reduced, resistance is reduced. If these two are reduced, workability will
Increase.
workability will what? ವರ್ಕೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೋ, ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು. ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಹಿಂಗ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಲೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ, ಅದು ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ನೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್?
Yes, got it, sir.
Yes, like this. Okay, na? So if you put more water, more lubrication, so friction and all will reduce, so workability will increase. Like this you should understand. Now, mixed proportion. You tell me, proper mixed proportion मतलब correct cement, correct aggregate, सभी correct डाल दिया. Okay ना? तब फ्रिक्शन और ये रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा या ज्यादा होगा?
Sir, increase.
नो 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 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್
ज़्यादा होगा
ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದನ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತನ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್, ವರ್ಕೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ, size of the aggregate, if the aggregate size is become more and more, if the aggregate size is more and more, then your workability will increase. Like this you need to understand. We'll discuss one by one. Okay na? We'll discuss one by one. Water content, the first one we have just now discussed. What is that? If you increase the water content, friction, internal friction, 3 rows I will write. 3 things. What are the 3 things? First is water content or whatever parameter of interest. Second is internal friction and frictional resistance. Okay na? Third is workability. If you increase the water content, frictional resistance and this one will reduce. So workability will increase. Okay na? But up to some certain extent. You should not add more and more water to have better workability, because more water later it will give capillary cavities, which is bad for concrete health. Okay na? Mixed proportion, what it is telling, if the aggregates are more, the aggregates to cement ratio A by C means how many aggregates to how many cement weight. If it is more, then concrete is lean concrete. Concrete will become lean, means what? Less cement paste. See here, water and cement will become what? Cement paste na? Cement paste is also lubrication na? If cement paste lubrication is more, frictional resistance is less and workability is more. One side. Second case, if cement paste content is less lubrication means more resistance. More resistance means less workable. This point clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, this point is clear?
yes sir
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in a proper mixed proportion, the cement paste availability is more. So that is why lubrication is more. So that is why friction is less. That is why this workability will be more. In a very, very bad mix, cement paste availability is less, friction is more, workability is less. This is the procedure to understand. Okay na? Yes. Okay. Now, size of aggregate. If the aggregate size is more and more, surface area is less, so that more cement paste is available, so less friction, so workability is more. I will repeat. Bigger aggregates have less surface area. Less surface area in a concrete means more paste is available. That means less friction. That means more workable. Whether this point is clear?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
All of you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, very good. ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀರಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಕುಂತ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಏನಂತ ಒಂಥರ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂತ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Shape of aggregate. Now you tell me. Rounded aggregates, angular aggregates, flaky aggregates. Flaky means like this. Flaky or elongated aggregates. Okay na? In rounded aggregate, cement consumption is more or less?
Less.
Very less. Okay. Here cement consumption is more. Here cement consumption is still more, highest. Cement used for aggregate binding is less. So paste availability for lubrication is, देखो इतना छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट है, अग्रीगेट्स को ऐसे ऐसे करने के लिए सीमेंट पेस्ट कम जा रहा है तो लुब्रिकेशन के लिए बहुत बचेगा ना, ऐसे सोचना है. ಈಗ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಲುಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಲುಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೌ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಫಾರ್ ರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ lubrication cement paste quantity is more or less? More. Very good. Here it is less, here it is still less, here it is still less. So if lubrication cement paste content is more, then friction is less. Correct? Friction is less, workability is more. Workability is more. In this case, it is reverse. In this case, it is reverse. Cement paste for aggregates are more, so lubrication cement paste is less, so friction is more, so that is why workability is less. In this case also it is same thing. Now you understand, rounded aggregates which are taken from river bed have give better workability than crushed aggregates, than crusher aggregates which are angular in nature. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Shruti Nayak, have you understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Prajwal, Nehal, Nandita,
Understood,
Namo,
sir.
Nakshatra, Murgesh, Manoj. ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಸಮझ में आया क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Now, Murgesh Teggi, you tell me, rounded aggregates, angular aggregates, in which case workability is more?
Angular aggregate.
Repeat.
Angular aggregate, sir.
ಎದ್ರೊಳಗ? Your voice is not clear. Manoj Gaudar, answer ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೋ ಅಥವಾ ಆಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೋ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ? ಹೋಲ್ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ, ನೀ ಏನೋ ವರ್ಕೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನಾ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿನ ಮಟ್ಟ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್. ನಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ. Rounded aggregates will give high workability. Angular aggregates will give less workability. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೇನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಎದಕ್ಕ ಓಕೆ. ಲೋಕೇಶ್
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್?
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೀ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್?
Rounded aggregates are more workable, sir.
And why? And why?
Less surface area, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Correct.
And less wides.
Less words, very good. Cement paste availability for lubrication is
More, sir.
very good, 100%. Very good, very good. I am very happy that some of your students are answering very correctly, very correctly. I am very, very happy. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂದ್ರಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ನೋಡು. So if cement paste for lubrication is more, then frictional resistance will be
Less.
very good. Frictional resistance is less. That means workability is
More.
More.
Very good. Like yes, exactly. Which is reverse in the angular aggregates. Which is reverse in the angular aggregates. Very good. Surface texture. Now you should tell me. Very, very smooth aggregate. Very, 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 very rough aggregate. Okay, na? So which is more workable in a concrete?
Smooth.
Very good, very good, very good. I'm very, very happy. Same concept is used here. In smooth aggregate, ಏನಾಗ್ತದಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದಿ. ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ವರ್ಕಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೆಂಗಂತ ನೀನ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹಲೋ,
Because friction is
correct. Very good, very good. In smooth,
Sir.
very good, very good, very good. I'm very happy to tell this one. Okay, na? Smooth aggregates will require small paste to cover. Small paste to cover. Okay, na? So more paste is available for lubrication. More paste available for lubrication means frictional resistance is less and workability is more. Exactly correct. In angular aggregate or rough aggregate, cement paste to cover this surface is more. So lubrication cement paste is less. So friction is more. So workability is less. Okay. ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good, very good, very
Yes, sir.
good, very good, very good. Like this, you should understand. Now, in the grading also same thing. Points are interrelated. Grading means what? Good grade or well grade or poorly grade. In well grade means what? All the particle sizes are present. In poorly grade means what? Big and very small. Big and very small. Here, voids are less. Here, voids are more. To fill the voids, cement paste used is less. So lubrication cement paste availability is more. So friction is less. Workability is more. Workability is more. Now, in this case, voids are more because it is a not graded or poor graded. Voids ज़्यादा है इसमें, बहुत सारा voids है, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ತೆಗ್ಗದಾವ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ? ವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಲುಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಉಳಿತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಲುಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಉಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೀ ದೀಸ್ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದೀಸ್ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ದಾನೇಶ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯನಪ್ಪ ಇದ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದ ಅಷ್ಟು. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ, ಅವೇನು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಭಾರತ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್? Bharta Patil, are you there? No.
Yes, sir.
एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है इस पॉइंट को? ठीक है. ಅಮೃತ್ ಮಾನೆ, ನೀ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಜಲ್ದಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ, ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ.
ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ವೈಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ವೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹತ್ತೈತಿ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಲುಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ?
ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಲುಬ್ರಿಕೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ ಒಳಗ? ವೆಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಡೆಡ್, ಪುವರ್ ಗ್ರೇಡೆಡ್?
ವೆಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಡೆಡ್.
Very good, very good. I'm very happy to listen this one. Okay na? So more lubrication paste means friction. Friction kadmi. Friction kadmi adra workability
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Very good, very good. Okay. See, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. सब लोग पार्टिसिपेट करना है बाबा, सब लोग करना है, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन क्लास है. क्लास में रहता तो मैं आप लोगों को बोलता था प्लीज स्टैंड अप, कैन यू टेल आंसर और नॉट, लाइक दैट आई वुड हैव आस्क्ड दोस क्वेश्चंस. In online it is very difficult to monitor you people. Please I am requesting, if it is wrong also you can to tell. If you want to explain it in Kannada or if you want to tell it in Hindi, then it is also okay. At least I will have a feeling that you people are following the concepts. Okay na? Okay. Nakshatra madam, can you explain in your own words? In Hindi also not? Okay, no problem. No problem. Nakshatra ma'am,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
please tell me. Please tell me. Well graded, poorly graded.
In well-graded, lubrication is more
Very good.
and friction is less.
Very
So
good.
workability also more.
More. Very good. Very good. Very good. In poorly graded,
Lubrication is less. So
yes.
friction is more and
Very good.
workability also less.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, na? Okay. We will move to the next one. Use of admixtures. Okay. In the previous class, we have seen by adding admixture, workability will definitely increase. Correct or not? Slumps from 75, it will become 120, 100. So obviously, by adding admixture in optimum dosage, will increase the slump, will increase the workability 2 to 3 centimeter. That means 20 mm to 30 mm. Anything it can be increased. Okay, na? So the air entraining admixture, so slimy air bubbles will act as one word. You should tell me. Air bubbles, small air bubbles were there. No, Mansi madam, are you there? Okay, it is. She is not there. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರ್ದಾರ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್
Yes, sir.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇನಪ್ಪ yesterday class you were there.
Yes, sir.
Though air bubbles, what is the function of air bubbles in air entraining admixture? Okay, I will just I will tell. In yesterday class, do you remember air bubbles will act as a small ball bearings which will act as the lubricants, which will reduce the internal friction, which will increase the workability. सब लोग इस पॉइंट को याद था? कल हम लोग एडमिक्सचर के डिस्कस कर रहे थे.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so admixture will increase the workability. That is one point. Now, how to measure the workabilities? How to measure the workability? Slump test, compaction factor test, flow test, Kelly ball test, VB consistometer. Okay, na? So all these things are there. Now, you tell me, have you seen this instrument?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen this instrument? Everyone?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I will tell
Yes,
the
sir.
I will tell the principle or I will tell the concept. Now, dia, bottom dia, height, everything you will understand by reading. I will explain the procedure first. Now, you tell me, bottom dia, okay na, top dia. This is called as a slump cone. It is called as a slump cone. The experiment name is slump cone test only. The experiment name is slump cone test. In that you are measuring the slump. In that you are measuring the slump. Not Donald Trump. Okay, it is slump. Okay, now what you are doing, there is a slump, there is a standard plate. Okay, na plate hard surface. This it is called as a hopper. Hopper ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡೋದು, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅತ್ಲಾಗ ಇತ್ಲಾಗ ಬೀಳಬಾರ್ದು. उधर इधर नहीं गिरना है, इसको ऊपर रखते हैं और इससे क्या करते हैं, वो जो कंक्रीट रहता है ना, इसके अंदर डालते हैं. इसके अंदर डालते हैं. कैसे डालते हैं? 1/3 हाइट, 2/3 हाइट, 3/3 हाइट. मतलब इसको 3 लेयर्स में डालना है. कितना लेयर्स में डालना है? 3 लेयर्स में. और एक लेयर डालने के बाद ये रॉड है ना, इसको बोलते हैं टैंपिंग रॉड. इसको बोलते हैं टैंपिंग रॉड. और टैंपिंग रॉड से 25 mm ईच टाइम इसको स्ट्राइक करना है, मतलब कॉम्पैक्ट करना है. ये टैंपिंग रॉड से यू हैव टू कॉम्पैक्ट इट बाय 25 टाइम्स ईच लेयर. पहला लेयर डाल दिया, 25 टाइम्स कॉम्पैक्ट कर दिया. फिर नया कंक्रीट ले लो, इसके अंदर डालो, फिर 25 टाइम्स कॉम्पैक्ट, फिर नया ले लो, 25 टाइम्स कॉम्पैक्ट करो. ऐसे 3 लेयर होने के बाद ये जो टॉप में रहता है ना, इसको अच्छा से निकालो. जो ऊपर कुछ अलग अलग गिरा रहता है ना, उसको क्लीन करो. ಎಸ್, इसके बाद ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. स्लो आगे ಇದನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. स्लो से इसको उठाना है, क्योंकि अगर उठाते वक्त इसको लग गया तो अंदर कंक्रीट गिर जाएगा. तो वो ध्यान में रखना है. यू हैव टू कीप इन पॉइंट दैट स्लोली इन अ वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन only it is removed. Fresh concrete, due to its weight, The original height in the container is this much, no? Everyone, are you understanding this point? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
फ्रेश कंक्रीट इसके अंदर है, ओरिजिनल हाइट ऑफ द कंक्रीट इज दिस मच, ओके ना, विद इन द कोन. नाउ वंस यू रिमूव द कोन, द कंक्रीट विल नॉट बी इन दिस शेप, इट विल बिकम लेस लाइक दिस, करेक्ट ना? इट विल बिकम लेस लाइक दिस. वो जो ऐसा था ना, ऐसे शेप में था ना, वो ये जो शेप में था, इसको धीरे धीरे, इस बड़ा शेप जो था इतना हाइट का, वो धीरे धीरे ऐसे हो जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि इसके अंदर पानी है. बिकॉज ड्यू टू इट हैज गॉट वाटर, इट इज फ्रेश. स्लोली अंडर द एक्शन ऑफ ग्रेविटी, द बॉटम dia will increase, height will
Decrease.
decrease. So this decrease in height, original height was h1, the second height is h2. So h1 minus h2 as this height, the subsidence of height, subsidence का मतलब decrease in the height from the original level to this level is called as the slump. It is called as slump. जो height है वो slump है. अभी मुझे ये बताओ, अगर पानी कम है तो h ज्यादा होगा या कम होगा?
कम होगा सर.
वेरी गुड. अगर पानी बहुत कम है तो ये हाइट ज्यादा डिक्रीज नहीं होगा. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ನೀರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ತೆಳಗ್ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂದಿರ್ತದ. ಅದಕ್ಕ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಂತಾರ. हार्ड कंक्रीट, हार्श कंक्रीट अंतर है, उसको हार्श कंक्रीट बोलते हैं. और उसको कभी भी स्लंप ज्यादा नहीं रहता. एच क्या है, डिफरेंस है ना. तो इधर ही आके वो रुक दिया, इधर ही आके वो रुक दिया, तो उसको स्लंप ज्यादा नहीं मिलता है या ऑलमोस्ट जीरो रहता है. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ जीरो तनव ಇರಬಹುದು, ओकेना. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ अगर उसमें पानी या एडमिक्सचर कुछ ना कुछ ज्यादा डाल दिया तो वो बहुत वर्केबल हो गया, तो उसका एच और उसका स्लंप कितना आएगा? कम आएगा, ज्यादा आएगा?
ज्यादा आएगा सर.
वेरी गुड. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ज्यादा. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वर्केबल कंक्रीट और हाई स्लंप कंक्रीट. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस पॉइंट? And a normal concrete will be in this only, normal,
Yes,
that is medium concrete, that is called as medium concrete, okay na. So highly workable will be like this only when you remove. Medium workable will be like this, okay na. Very hard or harsh concrete will be like this. Very harsh concrete will be like this. So sometimes the very workable are called as the flowable concrete. Very workable concrete are called as flowable concrete because it is flowing on the disc, it is flowing on the table. Is that okay, everyone?
Yes sir.
Yes sir. This bottom dia 20, top dia 20,
Yes, sir.
original height 30, this everything is okay. Concept is clear for everyone, okay na. So the dimensions have been given, 10 mm, 20 mm, height is 30. You have to take down the difference, everything you can do, okay na. So now these are called as the typical pattern. If the slump is coming like this, then it is called as the true slump. Then if it is cutting like this, then it is called as the shear slump. If it is very flowing, then it is called as collapse slump. Okay na. So generally it is like this. These are the three categories. Okay. Now next is compaction factor. Okay na. I will explain the procedure now. Whether you can see this experiment, this diagram, everyone?
Yes, sir.
How many hoppers are there?
Yes, sir.
Feeding
Yes,
hoppers. How many? First top hopper, second middle hopper, the third is measuring steel container or cylinder. Measuring steel cylinder. Now, standard height is there. For this one also, there is also standard height is there, okay na, in the instrument. Now what exactly you are doing? You are taking the fresh concrete, and remember one thing, here bottom is also one dhakkan, here bottom is also one muchla, okay na. Is that okay?
Yes sir.
There is a lid.
Yes, sir.
That is what we call it as a lid, openable lid. But in the initial stage it is closed. Now this is also closed, this is also closed. So that you take a concrete, you pour it on this, you pour it on this, you fill this one, you fill this one, okay na? And after completely filling this top hopper, you open this lid. Which lid you are opening? This lid you are opening, so that concrete under the action of gravity is falling in this one, but this is closed, no? This is closed, so that is why concrete will start filling this one. Once it is completely filled, you open this one, and it will fall inside this measuring cylinder. It will fall in this measuring cylinder. Once you measure the weight of this concrete, you can easily obtain density, no? You can easily obtain the density, no? Weight divided by its volume is called as density, okay? Or else you can directly take weight only. This weight we call it as a partially compacted weight. It is called as partially compacted weight. Now, in the second case, you take the cylinder outside, you empty that one, you put concrete once again directly in the cylinder, and you compact using tamping rod or you compact using machine, such that it is fully compacted. It is not half compacted, it is fully compacted. Directly you are putting concrete inside the cylinder, you fully compacted, and you take the weight, that weight is called as fully compacted weight. Now, compaction factor is equal to partially compacted weight divided by fully compacted weight. Correct? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
ಯಾವಾಗ
Yes, sir.
when this compaction factor's value is 1, when this compaction factor value is 1,
When both are same.
That means when you put the concrete from the top and from this it is falling, when it is fully compacted by its own weight due to the action of gravity, then it is called as completely compactable in sight also, because it is falling with the gravity. You are not using any machine, no? So that is why when it is 1 or when it is nearer to 1, such as 0.8 or 0.9, if it is 0.8, 0.91, then it is called as good compacted concrete or good compactable concrete. Okay, na? When it is less than 0.5, 0.4, then it is called as a not so compactable concrete. When it is not compactable concrete, when CF, when it will be like that, when it will be 0.4, 0.4, when concrete is falling completely but it is not compacted, उसका मिक्स अच्छा नहीं है, उसमें बहुत अग्रीगेट, बड़े बड़े अग्रीगेट्स है, पानी बहुत कम है, एडमिक्सचर नहीं है, तो इसका वेट कैसे आएगा? जब तुम ऊपर से डालता है वो फुल भर के आएगा या वाइड्स रहेगा? क्यों? Can anyone tell me? जब अच्छा मिक्स नहीं है, पानी कम है या पानी बहुत कम है, अग्रीगेट्स बड़े बड़े साइज है, अच्छा मिक्स नहीं किया, तब तुम लोग ये एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा है, तो ऐसे ऐसे आ रहा है ना ऊपर से, पहला इससे इसके अंदर आएगा और इसके बाद इसके अंदर गिरेगा और इसके बाद इसके अंदर गिरेगा. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಏನು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆವಾಗ ಇದ್ರ ವೇಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತದ? ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವೇಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತದ?
ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇದು ವೇಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವೇಟ್ ಅಂಕಿ ಅದು ಇರುದ ಸೇಮ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, उसको हम लोग चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो partially compacted weight, when it is less, this will be constant, so value will become less. The value will become less. This experiment is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you do this compaction factor test in sight, when that compaction factor is 0.8, 0.9, then you should say very good concrete, sir, this is very fantastic, we will get 100% compaction in sight, sir. ಅಚ್ಚಾ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನಾರು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದು 0.5 ಬಂತು, 0.4 ಬಂತು, ಹಿಂಗ ಸುಡುಗಾಡು ಏನೇನೋ ಬಂತು, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರಿಗೆ? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ?
Not good concrete.
ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್. ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ್ದೆ. ಅವ್ನು ಹೊಡ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೊಡ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ನು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? क्या बोलते हैं तुम लोग अगर वो अच्छा कंक्रीट नहीं आ रहा तो क्या बोलते हैं? पकड़ के मारो उसको, अच्छा कंक्रीट नहीं बना है, कॉम्पैक्शन फैक्टर कम आ रहा है उसको, ये अच्छा कंक्रीट नहीं है, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
सुन ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ವ मत सब लोग चुप बैठते हैं यार.
Yes, sir.
ऐसे यार सब लोग.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Sir.
Okay. Okay, that is called as compaction factor. Flow test ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅದಪ್ಪ, एक टेबल है, टेबल के ऊपर एक अच्छा सा एक सर्कल है, ऐसे एक सर्कल है, ठीक है. इसका डाया 25 सेंटीमीटर है, इसका डाया 25 सेंटीमीटर है. ओके ना? एज यूजुअल यू टेक अ slump, you place exactly like this, you place exactly like this, and you put that concrete which is tested, you put that concrete which is tested. Okay na? That is 25 dia. Slowly you remove. Once it is completely filled, you slowly remove. And table has got a arrangement like this. इसको क्या करना है? इसको रोटेट करने से ये टेबल जो है ना ऊपर नीचे, ऐसे ऊपर ऐसे नीचे आएगा, मतलब इसको वाइब्रेशंस मिल रहा है. That means this table is vibrating. This is called as jolting. J-O-L-T. Jolts. These are called as jolts giving or jolting. When you do the jolting by rotating this handle, table will go up and down so that concrete will flow. No, concrete will flow like this. Yes or no? Everybody tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you keep as it is,
Yes, sir.
the dia will not change of the slump. Dia will not change of that concrete. Okay na? But when you do vibration, obviously it is going to flow on all the direction. Like this it is going to flow. So what will happen to that diameter? You tell me. Diameter वो ज्यादा होगा या उतना ही रहेगा या कम होगा? जास्ती ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಕಡಿಮೆ?
Increase.
ಹಾ?
Increase.
It will
Yes, sir.
ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Increase?
Yes, sir. Increase.
Increase. Very good. So that is called as a spread. That is called as a spread. Obviously it is more than 25, maybe it is 40. So what is your flow percent? Flow percent is that spread diameter minus 25 divided by 25. Is that okay for everyone? If it is more, flow percent is more. If flow percent is very, very less, that means it is 0. Which is more workable, first or second?
First one.
First one. Very good, very good. When spread is more,
First one.
that means it is more workable. Then you will get more flow percent. When it is harsh concrete, the dia will not change, so you will get less flow percent. That is also one. See here, it can be more than 100 also na. अगर 25 से 50 हो गया या 100 हो गया, then how much it will come? It is more than 100% it will come. Okay. ये केली बॉल क्या है? केली बॉल टेस्ट क्या है? ये है केली बॉल. इसको बोलते हैं केली बॉल. इसका वेट बहुत रहता है. ये बड़ा सिलेंडर है. This is one big cylinder. Okay ना? What is happening? What is happening? This cylinder has got this vertical reading. Vertical reading. Vertical reading. इसका वेट है अप्रोक्सीमेटली 13 kg. इसका वेट है अप्रोक्सीमेटली 13 kg. इसको साइट में तुम स्लैब के ऊपर कंक्रीट डाला है ना, when you are concreted on the site using that machine and all, you have poured the concrete. So you take this one, you place over the surface. You place over the surface. Yes or no? You place it over the surface. Now what will happen? Because it is a very, very heavy. Because it is very, very heavy. As you just place it, you note down the reading. You note down the reading, initial reading. Due to its heavy and it is also fresh concrete. It is going to sink or it is going to stay there only?
Going to sink, sir.
It is going to sink. Very good. It is going to sink. Now you tell me, if the concrete is harsh, the sink is more or sink is less?
Will be less, sir.
Sink will be less. If the concrete is very, very fluid, means more workable, then sink will
More, sir.
more. That means that ball will go deep. The ball will go deep inside the fresh of concrete. So you need to note down the readings. So difference in that initial reading and final reading is called as Kelly ball reading. It is called as Kelly ball reading. Is that okay? Experiment. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಡುದಪ್ಪ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಡುದು. ಇದು ಇಟ್ಟಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಾಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ವೆನ್ ದ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ವರ್ಕೇಬಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಡೀಪ್. This ball will go deep, so that reading you will get more. So this reading we call it as Kelly ball reading. It's called as Kelly ball reading. So depending upon reading, you can tell the contractor your concrete is workable or your concrete is not workable. Is this experiment clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes sir or no sir?
Sir.
हाँ, very good. आमेले इसको देखो, इसको एक्सपेरिमेंट को जब हम करते हैं ना, when this experiment is conducted, no, so you should be very careful that when this is a slab, this has to be tested at least near center. You should not test it near the edges. Very important. You should not test this experiment near the edges. What will happen? Concrete will fall. And another important thing, you should not test this one near the junction, near the column beam junction. Okay na? Column beam junction. There you should not test. Okay na? Okay. Now this is VV consistometer. What is this VV consistometer? I will tell. This is a machine. This is a machine. This machine is giving vibration to this one. Vibration to this one. ಇದಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಅದ. This is called as a cylindrical container. Blue color is there, no? Cylindrical container. And inside you have what again? Slump cone. Inside again what you have? Slump cone. Okay na? Now this is called as movable glass disc. This is called as movable glass disc. Now you move it away and you fill concrete. You fill concrete. Slowly you fill the concrete here. Okay na? Once the concrete is filled, okay na? Once the concrete is filled, you slowly remove the mold. You slowly remove the mold. Okay na? Once you remove the mold, what is the shape of concrete now at present? Shape of concrete, what is the shape of concrete? If this is the cylinder and you have just removed the mold, the shape will be like this, no? Initially also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone tell me, everyone tell me. Shape will be
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
like
sir.
this only, because you have not started the machine. You have not started the machine. The still shape is like this. Maybe little bit less because due to its weight, maybe little bit less, maybe little bit less. But once you give the vibration, it will collapse. It will collapse and it will acquire the shape of cylinder. Do you agree? वो सभी सिलेंडर में जैसा शेप होगा ऐसे आके बैठ जाएगा ना, एक बार वाइब्रेशन देने से ऐसे आके बैठ जाएगा. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone tell me. Everyone tell me.
Yes, sir.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಮೊದಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಶೇಪ್ ಹಿಂಗ ಇತ್ತು. ಇದು ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದ್ರ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಶೇಪ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಹಿಂಗ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆ? ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನಾವು ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದ್ರ ಶೇಪ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ, ಅಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ 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 ಹಿಂಗ್ ತರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರ್ತದ? ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ the shape, sorry, the time taken in seconds, the time taken in seconds to change the shape of fresh concrete from cone to cylinder. Time taken to change the shape of concrete from cone shape to cylindrical shape in seconds is called as VB seconds. Is called as VB seconds. Experiment is understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
You tell me. I will ask one person. Well, I will ask. Nakshatra madam, you tell me. वर्केबल ज्यादा है तो वीबी सेकेंड्स कम आएगा ज्यादा आएगा? I hope you have understood my question.
Yes, sir.
अगर तुम्हारा ये कंक्रीट जो है, दिस कंक्रीट इज मोर वर्केबल, then what will be the time to change from this shape to this shape, whether it is more or less?
Less, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. When the concrete is very harsh, when the concrete is very harsh, then time required to change the shape from cone to cylinder is
More.
Less. More, sir.
More, sir.
is more. Why? Harsh concrete will take more time to vibrate and to change its shape from cone to cylinder. But very workable concrete will take very less time to change the shape from cone to cylinder. Are you understand how the VB seconds are explained inside? Clear aitanappa ellargu idu point? Has everyone understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Okay. Okay. Na? This is about VB seconds. Okay. So this portion we will take it some other, next class, but we will this one we have incomplete, no? Which is there? Huh. This we will do, no? This left out portion. Sometime it will take. This we have to start now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please say something.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? Everyone.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So mineral admixture we have to start. This chemical admixtures we have completed. Okay, na? Okay. Tomorrow we will take, no problem, or shall we continue?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow, sir.
So take tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Nale,
We
nale.
will take. Everyone tell me clearly now. You
Yes,
want me
sir.
to continue or tomorrow?
Sir,
at
tomorrow.
10:30?
Sir, tomorrow.
Sir, tomorrow. Sir, tomorrow.
ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳವಲ್ರಿಪ್ಪ, 10 ಜನ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಉಷ್ಟ್ರು ಹೇಳತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow.
ನಂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳವಲ್ದಪ್ಪ, ಜೋರ ಹೇಳ್ರು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ರು.
Sir, ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ನಾಳೆ ತಗೋರಿ.
sir.
ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ.
Sir, ನಾಳೆ ತಗೋರಿ.
Sir, ನಾಳೆ ತಗೋರಿ.
ನಾಳೆ ತಗೋರಿ.
Sir, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. Thank you very much. Please give your attendance in chat box. USN and name. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್. ಮತ್ತೇನಾರ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ, ಏನಾರ ಹೇಳದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್ Yes, sir. Yes, you can leave the class, no problem.